Hi guys, natry nyo na to. Rochas from Marikina. Every time I visit my kuya and his family in Marikina, ito yung una kong naisip na pagkain. I don't know why. And so, nung birthday ko last week, I asked him to bring me some. So, this is Rochas Puto and Kuchinta. This is a favorite of mine ever since I tasted it. Ever since. Let me show you. Nalantakan ko na siya. When you order one box, 2 layers siya ng ganyan. So, ibig sabihin, naubos ko na yung 1 layer. Tubusan namin yung 1 layer. Let me show you yung shape. Amazing. So, it resembles a puto. So, di ba, puto may cheese. But the color is like a kuchinta. Amazing. And when you take a bite, hindi siya soft. Hindi naman siya matigas. Parang it's the middle between a puto kalasyaw and yung regular kuchinta. And the taste, it's heavenly. Wow, heavenly. Perfect to with black coffee, with chocolate, with tea. So in essence, perfect for merienda. So yon. I think you should try this when you're in Marikina. Rochas, Puto, and Kuchinta. So ayun lang po guys. Kain tayo. Bye!